Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a very good infographic. And if you do not know what an infographic is a picture, a graphical picture or graphical presentation of important information. So all you have to do is to go to the search bar on Canva app and click on search for the term infographic. So you would see an array of beautifully designed templates for you to choose from. I mean, these are just amazing. And depending on the Canva version you're using, my Canva version is paid, so I have everything free for me. So yours, you may see pro or crown icons on them. You can also do without them and use the free version, the freely available one. So let's say I want to create an infographic on anything at all. All I have to do is to input that particular keyword. Let's say I'm a web designer. All I will do is to web infographic and search, and I would see everything that is related to web infographic here, and I can add them to my project or edit them as they are. So it's very easy. Let's say I also do workout fitness. So all I have to do is click on search for fitness infographic, and you will see all the infographic here is related to fitness, health, exercise, and all of those. And if I want to create my own, all I have to do is click on a template, click on customize this template, and before you know it, in a few seconds I've made it mine. So this is how to create a beautiful infographic on Canva. Thank you very much, and if this video has helped you, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day, guys.